Hey, this is Aiden with Workman Firearms. So you got your slide stuck on the frame of your Smith Wesson EZ. Now, this is a common issue that occurs, and I'm going to go over a couple different ways that we can fix that. This issue occurs when you engage your grip safety upon disassembly or reassembly of your firearm. A couple different things you can use: a magazine, an armor's block, or a mallet that has a rubber end to it. As you can see, that slide is locked on that frame. So what you want to do is you can hold the firearm in a downwards position. Make sure it's not over something that's very hard that could damage the slide when it actually comes off. So don't hold it over the ground or concrete or anything like that. Now, with the butt plate of your magazine, you're going to lightly tap the back of this slide. At no time are you going to engage that grip safety. There you go. The slide can come right off. Now, that's the field expedient way. You can also use an armor's block, knocking it off that way, or you can tap the back of it with that rubber part of a mallet. From there, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to inspect that firearm. Look at that grip safety, make sure that it can still work. From here, we're just going to slide that slide back onto the frame. Good. From here, make sure you do not engage that grip safety. Lock the slide to the rear. Engage that takedown lever. Send the slide forward. Now we're going to perform a function check and make sure that the firearm still works. What I want you to do is rack that slide once. Press the trigger. Rack that slide a second time while holding the trigger to the rear. Slowly release and listen for the reset. From here, what I want you to do is make sure that the grip safety is actually working. So now, take your hand off the grip safety, press that trigger, make sure nothing happens, engage it, rack the slide, press it once, make sure you hear something. And that is how you fix that issue. Thank you.